Adoption occurs in at least 62 mammal species, most of which exhibit highly social behaviour. Findings have explained this using Hamilton's rule, where providing costly assistance to an individual will only occur when the fitness costs to the actor are less than the fitness benefits to the recipient multiplied by their relatedness. In other words, acts of altruism will only occur when both individuals are closely related. Findings, however, have not been able to be calculated because potential social benefits in a social species confound the fitness costs. From 1989 to 2008, Gorell, McAdam, Coltman, Humphries and Boutin studied asocial red squirrels to determine if adoption evolved through kin selection, enhancing their inclusive fitness. The asocial behaviour of red squirrels enabled them to directly quantify all components of Hamilton's rule. Radiotelemetry, tomahawk trapping and ear notching were used to monitor and record the survival rate, the population size and reproductive success. A maternal pedigree was constructed and later tissue samples were taken from ear notches to compare the genetic similarity with the maternal pedigree. The minimum relatedness between the surrogate dames and the adopted juveniles were also calculated. Litter survival probability, the fitness costs to the surrogate dames and the fitness benefits to the adopted juveniles were calculated using general linear models. Of the total 2,230 litters in the study, 32 were found to be orphaned. Of these, 5 adoptions took place. In all adoption cases, there were several lactating females nearby. However, only one was of kin. The estimated probability that the adoption taking place would be of kin was less than 1%. However, all adoptions were of kin. The graph shows adoption by kin of one juvenile increased the inclusive fitness and occurred in all 5 adoptions. Adoption of 2 juveniles was calculated to decrease inclusive fitness and never occurred. Where potential kin existed nearby in 2 other orphan cases, their inclusive fitness would have decreased, so no adoption took place. All other orphan litters had no lactating kin nearby and no adoptions occurred. The authors concluded that adoption in asocial red squirrels evolved through kin selection, enhancing their inclusive fitness according to Hamilton's rule, as can be seen in the graph. In 2013, Williams and his colleagues published a study on communal nesting of the same species. 7 out of 8 of the communal nesting events were of kin. The authors concluded that communal nesting in asocial red squirrels evolves through kin selection, supporting the findings of Gorell and his colleagues of 2010.